Yes, we talked about it and we've finally done it. We present to the show and welcome Miss Lauri Stern from the Real
Hello.
Woo Podcast. Yay! Our Gemini friend, how are you?
I am just thrilled to be here with you too. And yeah, I'm the Gemini.
And she's from the chat, you guys. You'll see her always in the chat. She's always leaving stuff. So tell us, I mean, I know Elena wants to know. I want to know what the heck goes on in your mind?
Oh, what doesn't go on in my mind? First of all, thanks for each of you being on my show. That was so much fun.
You ask the best questions. I mean, both of us have talked about it. We loved being on your podcast. So I
Oh,
know
yeah.
it's going to continue to grow. So keep showing up and remember the consistency is the key. You build it and they will come.
Well, you have a beautiful essence and energy, but I just feel something. So I just plant the seed and let's see what happens. It's awesome to be in a Gemini mind. Ah, wonderful.
Great. Love you guys.
All right, you guys.
Thank
This
you for
was so
joining.
much fun.